Today I will show you guys how to make a basic animation in Blender. Today is Sunday, 21 March, and it's sunshine today. So we will start now. So the first thing you want to do is to make your own model. So right here we'll make some basic model, just a basic one. So grab G, head, and move on to the two, and Shift A, mesh. I will make something like a tail. So it's, so it will move on this. The press R to make a 90 to rotation it. G again. Move it right here. Now I will scale it a little bit more small down. About 0.2. Y 0.2 and yes, yes is I think two may be enough. Yeah, two. Then rest G again and um, move it to outright a little bit far right here. Yes, I think it's good enough. So we delete the camera and the light. So you see here two object, right? The cue and the cylinder. So how do you miss it them? So easy. You just press A and Control A or transform. And you click on this cube and drag your left mouse right like this and Control J. Boom, this will become one object. Now before we go into bring this object, we should go to the edit mode to add some mesh for this collider cylinder right here. So Control R plus how much mesh you want with me for enough. Enter again, and boom, we have here. So why we should have mesh inside this? Because mesh is like a corner, a connection of the object. So when you make a rotation of the bones, it will rotate from this part to this part, not this part to the last part right here. So that's why we should have some mesh for that. Um, this will become very weird. You can try it at home. Okay, we're done with the mesh, and we go back to the object mode. Shift A, amateur. We drag the amateur into our object right here. And we press tab again to go to the edit mode. Press E to make more bones right here, right now. And press E again. More bone will come in. So you just need to press E and then drag into how long you want, and you press click and you click left mouse, and then that's done for your bone. So right here is done. So one thing you have to remember, you have to name the bone. Yeah, that's very important. So right here we name my bone a tailbone because I want to make something like a tail. So it's tailbone. And no matter how you name your bones, you can name whatever you want, but remember after the dog, you have to remember that lie you will ring the arm. So you have two arms, right? You ring the left arm. Imagine this is the left arm. So if this is the left arm, you have to do like this is dot L, so that Blender will know what is that, and you can do Same thing with the right arm automatically with Blender. So that's why you need to make it correctly, or it just will fall down. So in this case, I don't have. It's just a tail, so I don't need to make about left or right. That's good for me. So table fine, table. Let's go. Table four, table three, table one, two. Right here we do the connection bone and the body bone. So we done in the edit mode. We tap out. So we click on the cube, press shift, and click on the bone we have created before. And then we press Control B. You can see right here, automatic deform with automatic way. So this will make automatic way for you on the object, so you don't need to make it yourself. But if you want to do that, you can still do that in here. Press on the object, do seal, way pen, and you can do it yourself. Yeah, it will take some time, but it's very fun. So you want to try sometime. And then we rest on the bone. Select the bone. Go to the bone mode. And here I will show my animation, the timeline right here. So in the animation, you need to focus on something. So the first thing, the timeline. So basically, a human eye can see 24 frames per second. So remember the timeline. You can make how frame do you want for this animation, but I think 24 is the best because that normal with the human eye. And you go to the screen scene right now, you will see that the frame range. Yeah, so this is how you want your frame range. How far is it? Like it will start from 0 and we end on maybe 20. Boom, it just like here. Then start in 0. Or you want to start from 5 and then it on 2005, 500. And yeah, this is how is it. So we just make a short animation. So it will start years 0 and on I think maybe 80. Yes, I guess. So you need to press A to select all the bone, and then you press E. You can see that we have the option location, rotation, and scale. Yeah, select this, and this will mark the first frame for you. So now you just need to drag to the frame you want. Like me, I will do it frame 24 because that the frame normal human eye can see. And select the bone you want to make chain, and then you rest R right like this. Yes. Keep going. Yes. So right here, I don't know why it's not automatically mark the body for you. So you just need to press E again, like you have done before with the first one, and then select the same thing. uh, location, rotation, and scale. And it's remark the point for you. I don't know why it's not work. Um, just test before and it's work as well, but maybe sometimes something wrong right now. But okay, we can do this away. Press E, location, rotation, and scale. Remember this. Then we try to the frame 48. So I don't know why, but it seems like you have to select all the bones after you're done and and press E. Then select the location, rotation, and scale. Or it will not mark all the bone, just the bone you selection. You selection. Okay. Remember this. If this is very important, or you will cry. Yeah, trust me. Now this last frame rate, I will make it. No, not this one. Frame rate, I will make it to normal. Not really normal, but it's work. And done. So this replay. When we replace the animation, it's really like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's not very perfect phone, but yeah, still something you want to learn, want to watch for a newbie just like me. Thanks for watching. I'm Quoc, and I will be back sometime.